If you've ever tried to tap an Instagram story only to be greeted by the message, "Story unavailable," you're not alone. This little notification can be confusing and frustrating, especially if you're eager to see what your favorite creator or friend has shared. Let's break down exactly why Instagram shows this message, and more importantly, how you can fix it so you never miss a moment. First, the most common reason is simple. Instagram stories are designed to disappear after 24 hours. Once that clock runs out, the story vanishes from public view. If you're trying to catch up on someone's content and see this message, it could mean you missed the window. So if you see a story you're interested in, don't wait too long to watch it. Another frequent cause is user deletion. Instagram gives users the power to remove their stories at any time during that 24-hour period. Maybe they changed their mind, maybe they made a mistake, or perhaps they just wanted to curate their content. Whatever the reason, if a user deletes their story, it's instantly unavailable to everyone else, including you. Privacy settings play a huge role too. If a user has a private account, only approved followers can view their stories. If you're not on their list, you'll see "Story unavailable" every time you try to access their content. This is Instagram's way of ensuring that users have control over who sees what they share. So if you're hoping to view a private story, make sure you're following the account and your follow request has been accepted. Instagram is also vigilant about enforcing its community guidelines. If an account is restricted or suspended for violating these rules, any stories associated with that account become inaccessible. So, if you're suddenly unable to see stories from an account you follow, it might be because that account is facing restrictions or has been disabled. Let's not forget the technical side of things. Sometimes, this message pops up simply because of a glitch or bug in the app. Maybe you're running an outdated version of Instagram, or perhaps the app cache is full and causing errors. In these cases, the "Story unavailable" message doesn't mean the story is actually gone. It's just temporarily out of reach due to app issues. Internet connectivity is another culprit. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Instagram stories from loading properly, leading to that frustrating message. Before troubleshooting anything else, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. So what can you do when you see "Story unavailable"? Recent tips from the experts recommend starting with the basics. First, check your internet connection. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa might help. Next, clear your Instagram app cache to remove any corrupted data that could be causing the issue. Updating your app to the newest version ensures you have all the latest bug fixes and features. Outdated apps are a common source of glitches. Logging out and back into your account can also refresh your session and resolve temporary problems. At Famety, we know how important it is to stay connected and engaged with your audience. Whether you're sharing stories, building your brand, or connecting with friends, these little moments matter. And if you're looking to boost your social media presence, our services are here to help, from likes and followers to comments and shares across all platforms, including Instagram, Google, and even SEO support. With over a decade of experience, we're committed to giving you the best tools and live support so you can keep your accounts thriving. So next time you see "Story unavailable," remember, it's usually a quick fix, and you're never far from the action. Keep your app updated, stay connected, and let Famety help you shine on social media, because your story deserves to be seen.